Hello children, let's learn about different types of sentences. As a human, we are gifted with the ability to speak and express our thoughts in words. When we speak, we put together words to form sentences. These sentences carry a structure in order to make them comprehensible. According to the basic rule of grammar, a sentence by purpose can be of 4 types, that is, declarative, interrogative, exclamatory and imperative sentence. Now let's try to understand with a conversation. Good morning students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Am I audible to everyone?
Ma'am, it's Jerry.
Is it clear to others?
Yes, ma'am.
Purvi, you must have some network issue. Others are getting properly. Is my screen clear to you?
Ma'am, I think there is some network issue.
Wait for a while. Let everyone come and join the class. Everyone, please be on time for the class.
Yes, ma'am, I daily join on time. And I want to show you my drawing.
Wow, what a beautiful drawing. You are a great artist.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So in this conversation, we have used different sentences like assertive sentence which state a fact or an opinion, like I think there is some network issue. It is an opinion. Daily I join on time. It is a habit. Therefore, an assertive sentence or a statement states a fact, habitual action, universal truth or opinion. It ends with a full stop. Please note, an assertive sentence may be positive or negative. Example, I want to show you my drawing. This is a positive statement. I do not want to show you my drawing. This is a negative statement. Let's understand the interrogative sentence. As per the conversation, I asked few questions like, am I audible to everyone? Is my screen clear to you? These sentences ask questions. They are interrogative sentences. It ends with a question mark. There are 2 kinds of interrogative sentences, yes or no and WH questions. Example, am I audible? Answer is either yes or no. So such type of questions are called yes or no questions. WH questions are those that expect a detailed answer. The words what, when, where, why, which, who, whom, whose and how are used to form WH questions. Like, where is Natasha? Whose book is this? So next come imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives an instruction, advice, command, make a request or an offer. Let me take one example from the conversation. Everyone, please be on time for class. Here I am requesting children to join the class on time. Wait for others. It is my command. These sentences end with full stop. Fourth and last type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. It expresses strong feelings and emotions. For example, what a beautiful drawing. It expresses happiness. It ends with an exclamation mark. Exclamatory sentences often start with how, what, so and such. Let me tell you 2 examples. How cold it is. So kind of you. Now I would like to give you some information about the tone. Tone is a major manipulator of meaning. How someone says something entirely changes the situation. For example, simple assertive statement, you are going. If you say this with a flat tone, it is a confirmation that you are going somewhere. Now I will change it to interrogative. Are you going? If you say this sentence with a rising tone, it becomes a question. If I add please and request other not to go, like please don't go, and give stress on please, it becomes imperative. And if you pronounce what with a rising tone, for example, what are you going? It means you did not expect what you just heard. So children, same set of words convey a different meaning depending on the use of tone and expressions. Now try this sentence in different tone. I love English grammar. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you soon in another lesson. Happy learning. Bye.